Hi cutie, Grace here. Today we are going to draw Rilakkuma. So let's get started. First, draw a big round head here. So an oval shape. And bottom here will be slightly straight little. And right here a curve outwards. And now for the left ear, round in shape. And inside of the ear too. Same for the right ear, a round shape. And inside too. Okay, for the body, left hand will be drawing curve in shape. And the body. And the left leg too. And at the bottom, here a line. For the right hand also proceeding to be the same with the left side. Okay, I hope you are following with me. Now the eyes will be very easy to circle. And the nose will be small in your circle. And the cute mouth. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.